Here are 3 things you should do with a new Google Ads account. Number 1, never start with Performance Max or a smart campaign type as your first campaign. In order for those things to work, you really need a good amount of historical conversion data. Ideally for me, I'd like to see 60 conversions within the last 30 days before we even consider media buying outside of search. Why? Search is the highest intent traffic possible. So every time you get a click, you are far more likely to convert that user into an actual sale or a lead. Once we've built up enough conversion history inside our search campaigns, it's then that you can look to pivot and pull on some of the more fruity Google campaign types. Number 2, don't start with broad match. Broad match has made a lot of improvements in the last few years, and I truly believe eventually we're all going to be forced into using it regardless. But at this point, we still have a choice. To be conservative, when you have a new campaign, you should start with exact match or phrase match, as they give you far more control over the types of traffic you're going to be buying. Then when you build up enough data and you have enough historical conversions, you can layer on broad match keywords as an additional tool for scale, which is what it should be treated as, an additional tool for incremental sales. Number 3, use insertion tools. Insertion tools are merely just things like keyword insertion or location insertion. In responsive search ads, you can actually use keyword insertion to pull the keyword that triggered the ad into the ad text. And it's a cheap way of just getting your message matching really, really good. So effectively, when the user types something, they see that thing, you're more likely to approve a click. Same thing goes for location insertion. So wherever the user is searching from, it will effectively pull their location into the ad text to improve your relevance and increase your likely CTR. These are quick tools you can use to improve your relevance of your ad.